Good day. Thank you so much for watching our videos. I'm Mr. Varesh. I'm a teacher at Just Space Academy. It's a school that is in a strand 16 Boundary Road Strand. So you can just find a school. It's a nice place that you can send your kids, you can send your child, and we have a lot of teachers that are well trained and very nice teachers. So now today we are busy with addition and subtraction, how to add and subtract nicely without making mistake. So in the first example that we have here is 9,716 plus 6,287. The first things with the vertical method to add something is to place everything in the line. Everything on the line, it must be the same line. If it was only 3 digits down, you start with your last digit from your right going to your left. So now here we have 4 digits plus 4 digits at the bottom as well. So now we start adding 6 plus 7. We know that 6 plus 7 equal to 13. But as 13, 6 plus 7 equal to 13. But you cannot write 13 this side here. You cannot write all the 13. So in this 13 as this one here is 13. You take 3 and you carry 1. You carry 1. You can see my small carry is here. You carry 1. Then you go to the next one, the next calculation, the next line that we have. The next line that I have here is 1 plus 8. 1 plus 8 equal to 9. Should I write 9 only? No, because I have this carry 1. So you must add the carry. You mustn't forget about the carry. So 1 plus 8 equal to 9 plus the carry 1 equal to 10. Equal to 10. And the same thing, yes, 10, you take the last digit from your right. I take 0, 0, and I carry 1. I let you carry one again, and I go to the next line. And I look at my next line now is 7 plus 2 equal to 9. Plus the carry 1 that I keep here is equal to 10 again. And the same thing, you write 0, you carry 1 again. Now, the last one, here's the last line, 9 plus 6. 9 plus 6 equal to 15. Plus my carry 1 equal to 16. Now here, you start with your last digit from your right, going to your left. As we have nothing here, again, you put your 1 here. So this is the answer. Equal to 9,716 plus 6,287 equal to 16,003. This is the answer. We can carry on with another example. We do the same thing here. We have the first line here in this calculation. This is our first line. So the second line is this one. The third line and fourth line. So now we start with our first line. You always start from your right going to your left. This is how the calculation is doing. So now 9 plus 4 equal to 13. So we're not going to write all 13. You take only 1 digit from your right. You take that 3 and we carry 1. Now we go to the next line now. 8 plus 2 equal to 10 plus the carry 1 equal to 11. Now 11 you carry 1 again. Now 7 plus 3 equal to 10 plus the carry 1, 11. We write again 1, we carry 1 again. We carry 1 again, we carry 1 again. Now, the last one, 1 plus 7 equal to 8 plus our carry 1 equal to 9. Equal to 9. And this is our answer. And now we can continue with this one here. The last one is 3 digit. Adding with another 3 digit. 6 plus 4 equal to 10. We write 0, we carry 1. we go to the next one, the next line. 9 plus 1 equal to 10, plus the carry 1 equal to 11. You carry 1 again. 7 plus 3 equal to 10, plus the carry 1, 11. Now, as you have nothing here, you can write your 11. But all, as you can see, you can notice something. All my answers are in the line. Is below this one because it was this line, and you put below this one, and the answer here, the outcome, you put below the line. So you don't write the answers at this side or left side. You write below the line, the same line that you calculate. So you can see this is how you calculate, you do it. So this is the vertical method. Also this one, I can also do it with my horizontal method. 6, 2, 8, 7 equal to I will start from my right, this one here with this one, the last one with this one. I start to 8. 6 plus 7 equal to 13. So in that 13, I will take what? You're not going to start writing your answers here because you start from your right to going to your left. So I start somewhere for me to have a space. Equal to 13. 13, you write 3. I write 3 and you carry 1. You carry 1. Now you go to the next one. The next one is what? The next one here is this one, 8. 8 without. The next one here is what? Is 1. 8 plus 1 equal to what? 9. Plus the carry 1 equal to 10. 10 you take 1 digit 0, you carry 0 again. Then you go to the next one. The next digit here is what? The next one is this one. And here the next one is this one now. According to the position. So 7 plus 2 equal to 9 plus the carry 1, 10. Again, you carry 1. Now you go to the last one. After this one is this and this one. 9 plus 6 equal to 15 plus the carry 1 equal to what? Equal to 16. Is the same way. So with the addition, even the subtraction, it doesn't matter the position. So it's you can either use whether with the vertical line. The vertical method is very easy. It's you can see the proper nicely so that you can avoid mistake as well. But you can also do it with the horizontal form. With the horizontal form or vertical form, it's up to you. You can decide. But if the teacher asks you and he asks the method that you will do it, you must do with the method that the teacher asks. So, in the same way as we have 70, 90, 900, 7, 0 plus 3, 1, 4. So with this one as well, we do the same thing. The last one with the last one here, 0 plus 4 equal to 4. The second one with the second one, the position. So 7 plus 1 equal to what? 8. The first one with the first one here, 9 plus 3 equal to what? 12. Yes, the answer. Here's the answer. So we can carry on with the subtraction as well. So how to subtract? This is a big problem, is a big issue with most of the students or learners. They always get stuck with this one and start making mistakes. So here we're going to explain this one, how to subtract very easy, and the easiest way for you to subtract and get it right. So now we have 6 minus 7. So when what is on top is less than what is in the bottom is where the problem comes. Because if it was only 7 minus 6, we know that is easy. 7 minus 6, we will say equal to 1 directly. But now here we have the small number is on top and the bigger number is at the bottom. So we must do something. So the easiest method that we will use here is the borrowing method. To borrow. So to borrow. So now 6 minus 7 will come because 6 is less than 7, what must we do? We must borrow from the neighbor. So our neighbor here, the neighbor of 6 is what? Is 9. We must borrow from this guy there. So if we borrow 1 here by this guy here, we borrow 1, and here we subtract 1. So 9 minus 1 equal to what? 8. So if we borrow 1, 8 left there. Now we bring it here. When we bring it, it's like it's a 10. So plus this 6 equal to 16 now. We have 16. 16 minus 7. 16 minus 7 equal to what? Equal to 9. Then we go to the next one. Look what happened to the next one. It's no longer 9 here because we borrow 1 from this 9. So we remain with what right here? We remain with 8 now. It's 8. So now we must calculate with this 8. We no longer using this 9. So 8 minus 2 equal to 6. Equal to 6. Then we go to the next one. Look the next one. 7 minus 9. We count because 7 is less than 9. We do what? We must borrow from the neighbor. We borrow here. If we borrow this one here, you left with what? 0. You left with 0 there, and this one come here, 17. 17 minus 9. 17 minus 9 equal to what? Equal to 8. Equal to 8. As here is 0. 0 minus 0, we have 0. So we're not going to write this 0 in front of this number 8. We leave it like this. This is our answer. This is our answer. We can go to the next one. 0 minus 7. The same thing. You cannot minus 0 with 7 because 0 is less than 7. We do what? We borrow. We borrow from our neighbor. If you borrow from 8, you left with 7 there, and your 1 come there, and you have now 10. 10 minus 7 equal to what? Equal to 3. 3. Now we go to the next one. 7 minus 8. Look, it's the same thing. 7 is less than 8. We must borrow. We borrow from this neighbor. We left with 1 here. So here 17 minus 8. 17 minus 8 equal to 9. Equal to 9. Then we finish with this line. We come here with this line. There's no longer 2 here. We have now 1 because we borrowed from this 2. 1 minus 1 equal to what? 0. Then 9 minus 6 equal to what? Equal to 3. This is the answer. 9,280 minus 6,187 equal to 3,093. So let's go to the next one. 7 minus 8 is the same thing we count because 7 is less than 8. We do what? We must borrow. We borrow from this neighbor. As here it's 9. You left with 8, and we put that 1 day. 17 minus 8. How much is 17 minus 8? Equal to 9. Equal to 9. Then we go to the next one. We don't have that 9 here anymore. It's 8. 8 minus 8 equal to 0. 3 minus 1 equal to 2 is the same thing. As also, we can say, let us use the horizontal method with this one. Minus is the same thing that we did with the division. This one, the last one with the last one. 7 minus 8 we count. We must borrow from this guy here. From 9, and here we left with 8. And this one comes there. 17 minus 8. 17 minus 8 equal to 9. Equal to 9. Now we go to the next digit. Now the next one is the second one. 8 minus 8 equal to 0. Then we go to the last one. 3 minus 1 equal to 2. Is the same thing that how you can play with this thing. Nothing changed. You can stop.